We on time right now. We gotta keep the cameras rolling. Keep it rolling, keep it rolling. We almost missed our flight. No, I'm playing. We felt like we was gonna miss our flight all day running around. We finally made it here. So let's go, let's go. Still scared. On the cam.
Still scared, you said?
Still scary, yeah. We gotta go through all the security.
You're supposed to be calm for all of this.
Hey, have your boarding passes 90s up. How was it, bro? Okay. It was smooth though. It was smooth. Yeah. It was smooth. I think it went smooth. There's like no one here today. Okay, so that's it right there. I can see it from there. Okay. So we got time to go get something to eat or chill for a second. And anything you could buy in here, you can take on the plane. So really, yeah. Every time I'm by myself and I'm going on my Chicago trips, right? It's freshy, right? And they have juices like fresh juicery, right? And so, but on top of that, they have like really cool burritos and stuff like that that are really good for you, but they taste bomb as fuck. So this is the place to eat if you're in the Sacramento airport. Do you want to try one of the juices? It's hella good. They got Reset, Renew, Green Genius, and Recharge.
Sounds like detox. I'm gonna put my pants.
It says what's in it. I got one that has apple, pineapple, cucumber, and mint. Like that's not that bad.
It's sweet?
It's sweet.
No, let me get Recharge. Make up your mind. Recharge.
He's gonna poop his pants for real. You got some detox shit and you got a coffee. Man, you don't have goat shit all over the fucking place.
Goat shit.
We found these chains at the mall. They were literally iced out goats. And they were just like little goat silhouette, iced out. Yes, they're fake.
Get them for
the small one, like the choker, like this big, and then just a tiny little goat.
I just started a clothing line, walking around talking to everybody, asking about it.
Yeah.
I'm about to like take some clothing line stuff like far. I know y'all travel.
Yeah.
Y'all ever in LA.
We're actually on our way to LA right now. Yeah, what's your Instagram? You type it in. I go into my shoes, I'm looking at everything I just bought, and then I get to the shoes I was most excited about, I open that bitch up. There's one shoe in there.
Bro.
There's one fucking shoe in there. Bro, I get mad. I go. So, long story short, we ended up going back and I was like, hey, bitch ass nigga. It wasn't in that tone or those words, but I got back and I got my shoes. But we need snacks for the plane. I'm not gonna eat because I want to keep my appetite. When we get there, we're probably gonna go eat and shit. So we're gonna get some snacks. She don't like healthy shit. If it's healthy,
it's not that I don't like healthy shit, it's I don't like nothing. And he's just a bugaboo. Yes, guys, we take offense to it.
The bull.
Man, that was crazy.
My experience, I fly all the time. You should be asking them about their experience.
Nicole,
What's up?
how was your flight experience? I know you
I
don't like
almost
flying.
cried. No, I'm just playing. It was fine. Takeoff was sucky.
Melvin fucked somebody out there.
Fucking Melvin.
Yeah, she was mad. She was so mad.
No, are you serious?
Yes. All right, where we headed?
Successfully landed, even though we had 3 people freaking the fuck out. Whatever, they'll get used to it. At the baggage claim, I'm the only one that checked the bag, so we gotta pick that up, go to the ride sharing area, get the lift, and then we got a little bit of a ride to the Airbnb. But once we're there, make sure ain't nobody steal my shit. Let's go get a lift.
We gotta turn on the lights.
We about to throw a party, boy.
Playing around.
Check this out, though.
Really miss this room.
Let's go. Here we go.
anything for me, even give me your kidney. Got a because a nigga filmed her like it's the cover of Fendi.
Oh! Wait, Fendi? Did you say Fendi?
I was on a roll, but I was like,
Yeah, okay, I got it. You like to give me head like the logo on a penny.
whoa! So she proud? I don't know.
Was that a bridge? Is she Penny proud for the proud family? Okay, I get it.
She fucking with me, so she proud. Seal hit her from the back, now she loud.
And he said he gonna eat her.
Seal, can I get a bar?
Come on, let's get a bar, Seal.
It's your birthday.
I can't. I know. We out here shopping for the ladies.
For the ladies, I'm getting meat for the barbecue. I don't know what they eat. Yeah, we about to pick up this meat. No homo, Paul. At Walmart.
Ain't nothing against it. We wouldn't know how to dress if it wasn't for y'all.
Oh, you're right.
We can pick this shit up, go barbecue. And yeah, we're trying to hoop tonight, but we got the convention tomorrow, so that's what we're here for.
How do you know you're picking the right tomatoes?
You just make sure there's no blemishes on the outside or something that looks like it's obviously like starting to rot or some shit like in there, you feel me? So.
How do you feel, CEO? It's your birthday?
My eyes are on fire. I needed this. Bro, whenever I go shopping, I go for fruit first. Oh yeah, that's it.
Instead of it being, you know what I mean? Like that'll be like our cool little snack.
We just need the hot sauce, the ketchup, the mustard.
Yeah.
They did a whole month's worth of grocery shopping
like
for 3 days.
Everybody had a job.
Yeah, everybody had a
Oh,
job.
you guys broke it up?
Who that?
Nice.
We had our Uber driver taking us back, hyped to put the groceries in. He's like, oh, fuck it, let's do it. Come on.
Good job, guys.
All right, you guys put all this away. We're going to the gym. Oh, man, breakfast. Woo! Get us to Disneyland, please. Let's do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Hey, team.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
I feel like we're about to enter Disneyland. And we're about to enter the world of imagination and leave behind. I don't know what the fuck the term is.
Devon does not want to do the water ride because he's scared to.
I'm not scared.
So what's the problem, Devon?
I have sweatpants on and they never dry.
20 fucking minutes. It's 100 fucking degrees
I'm
out.
learning, it's 84. I learned from experience.
He's scared.
Let's just do it, Devon. Come on.
Don't be scared, Devon.
For the team. For Seal's birthday. For Seal's birthday.
Birthday. There you go.
It's good. For Seal's birthday.
Alright.
I got you. I can't do no.
With the hat on and everything. That'd be lit. Hey, look at that down
Oh, I've never seen a animation. Pointed at me. My mom was like, what are you doing?
I taught you better than that. Can I get one of them little straws?
I'm about to down this and get you down.
Chug.
Happy birthday, CEO. I'm glad you're taking a shot with us.
Congratulations.
Definitely don't use any of the appliances for so I think you guys called, so you guys you were smelling the whole night?
That's 5 that woke me up.
It's 5
Yeah,
o'clock?
but one of the guys smelled it last night, but he didn't put anything on it.
Okay.
You guys have any windows open?
Copy that.